in the Vibhav Alamban and Vibhav Udipan. So she's remembering the Vibhav Udipan, then she's remembering the Alamban Premashraya and the Alamban Prem Vishai, the hero and the heroine. So this is what Lord Chaitanya was singing in front of Lord Jagannath. And the meaning is, Lord Chaitanya is looking at Lord Jagannath, Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundar, and he's dancing backwards. Like his eyes are like, Lord Chaitanya's eyes are like two bumblebees, two huge dark blue bumblebees, Brahmar, these dark blue bumblebees. And they're just flying, soaring, and right to the big, beautiful, blossoming Mananakya Mahabhav, blossoming eyes of Jagannath. So this is Krishna and Radha Bhav as Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Krishna Sarupam. Krishna Sarupam, Bhagavan Sri Krishna in the Bhav of Radharani. So imagine Radharani's eyes are soaring to the lotus face, the beautiful blue lotus face of Shyamasundar, Brajendra Nandan Jagannath. And so Mahaprabhu in Radha Bhav is saying, looking at Lord Jagannath, gazing, staring, admiring, worshipping, offering artik with his eyes, beautiful bumblebee eyes of Mahaprabhu. And then he says in the mode of Radharani, reciting this love story, that very personality who stole my heart during my youth is now again my master. These are the same moonlit nights of the month of Chaitra. This means March and April, Chaitra. The same fragrance of malati flowers is blowing there, and the sweet breezes are blowing from the Kadamba forest. In our intimate relationship, even now I am also the same lover, and he is my same beloved. Yet still my mind is not happy here. I am eager to go back to the place on the bank of the Reva river. It's a river, like Reva, we have Yamuna. Reva, under the Vetasi tree, it's a type of flower. That is my desire. So this is a love story, what we say, a mundane love story, not something written by one of our acharyas or one of the great bhaktas of the Lord, at least as far as I know. And no one recognized, everyone knew that was some love story poem he's reciting, because the lady is saying here that, okay, now I'm married, I'm the same lover, I'm the lover, and this is my beloved became my husband, and I became the wife. But then it was so amazing because we weren't married. And then it was Surata Vyapara Lila Vido. So he's saying, there's everything, here I am, and now it's 10 years later, and here I am because I'm walking along the banks of the Reva River, and it's a full moon night of Chaitra Purnima, and this is all an Udipan for my smaran, my memories. So I'm remembering when I was having this surata, this intimate erotic escapades on the banks of the river, and my mind is longing for that. I wish we were back there with all that excitement and all that amazing experience before marriage. Everyone's looking. Swarup Damodar is looking at Mahaprabhu. Rai Ramananda is looking. I said, what's he saying? What is he saying? I don't understand. Now the examiner, the one who examines on behalf of Lord Chaitanya, now he's examining Lord Chaitanya. Swarup Damodar is doing pariksha. What am I seeing? Who is this Lord Chaitanya? And Rai Ramananda. And then Rupa Goswami was also dancing next to, because if Radharani is there, where's Sri Rupa? Where's Vishaka? So Ramananda was on one side, Vishaka, and Swarup Damodar was on the other side, and right behind Ramananda Roy, and right behind Lord Chaitanya, ready to catch him if he fell, was Sri Rupa Mandri in the form of Sri Rupa Goswami. And they're all dancing in the Rath Yatra. You can see. So now, Rupa Goswami hears that, and then he understands, oh, this is what it means. I realized it. Because why? Why Rupa Goswami realized it? Because in Dash Ashwamedha Ghat, in Allahabad, Lord Chaitanya embraced him so tightly, practically broke his bones. Because this is the meeting of Mahaprabhu, Vishwambara Mishra, one Brahmin, God, Lord Chaitanya is meeting his great devotee Rupa Goswami, another Brahmin. But actually, it's the meeting of Radharani with Sri Rupa Mandri. Because now Mahaprabhu is Krishna. He's not Radharani, but he's in the bhav. He's in the bhav of Radharani's. This is my Rupa. This is my Sri Rupa. Because Sri Rupa Goswami is the very Rupam, or form, of Mahaprabhu's wish. Mahaprabhu, the very form of Mahaprabhu's mind, the very form of Mahaprabhu's desire, and the very form of Mahaprabhu's love is Sri Rupa Goswami. And in Braj Leela, the very form of Radharani's Shri means Srimati, the very Sri Rupa Manjari, the very form of Srimati Radharani's Mahabhav, and the very expression of it, and all what it means, and all what it requires, and all where it's going, is that form is in Sri Rupa Manjari. So after hearing that verse, then Rupa Goswami went and got some palm leaves. When he went back to his, like we open our notebook and we write something in our notebook. So he got some palm leaves, opened his trunk and took out some palm leaves, and immediately etched on those palm leaves with a metal stylus.